Meaning of incessantly.
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 Incessantly. The word incessantly refers to something that continues without pause or interruption, often in an annoying or persistent manner. It describes a situation where there is no respite or break from the activity or behavior in question. For example, a dripping faucet that keeps making a sound without stopping can be described as dripping incessantly. This word conveys a sense of relentlessness and persistence that can be overwhelming or frustrating. Thus, when something is described as happening incessantly, it means that it is happening continuously and in an unrelenting manner without any breaks or pauses.